Watch me put this heat-friendly synthetic wig in the oven. Yes, I am gonna put this wig in the oven and I'm gonna teach you how to curl your synthetic wigs in a flash. I'm Allison, I'm the founder of Encilia Hair, and I am wearing our patent pending headband wig, which is 100% hand tied and it's super comfortable. This is the dark brown color, and right now the hair is super straight, as you can see here. And one of the most frustrating things with heat-friendly synthetic hair is that in order to style it, like to curl this hair, you have to hold the hair until it cools. So the curl does not set until the hair cools. And most of us, myself included, we don't have the patience and we don't have the time to do that. So it's frustrating for us because we buy this hair and it says that we can style it, but then we actually try to style it and we can't get it to do what we want it to do because we're treating it more like human hair. So today I'm going to show you a method that is super easy, and it should make your wig life a whole lot easier if you wear heat-friendly synthetic wig. We are going to put this wig in the oven, so take that in. It took me a while. I'm with you 100%. Keep in mind, this wig is a heat-friendly synthetic wig. So it is made to handle higher temperatures. It is not a standard synthetic wig. So you need to know if you have a regular synthetic wig or a heat-friendly synthetic wig. Please ask the person that you purchased your wig from, you know, what it is. Basically, this hair can handle higher temperatures. So it can handle temperatures up to 280 degrees to 300, which is pretty hot when you consider things. So we're gonna heat this puppy up and then we're gonna let her cool all night long. And when we wake up, we're gonna have beautiful, curly, bouncy hair. So you're going to need a rubber mannequin head. I like this one, it is petite, so it's not gonna stretch out any wig that I work with. And then I'm gonna use a T-pin or a sewing pin to keep the wig in place. 2 claw clips, a wide tooth comb or a wig brush will work. This is what I have on hand. Hot rollers. Now, I just bought these on Amazon. They were on sale by T3, and I bought them. They were expensive, but I bought them because they're one of the only rollers that has titanium, a titanium plate inside. And so I need to heat this hair up and I need the heat to go through the whole thing. And so what I'm finding is that the roller heats the first 2 rolls and then the heat from the oven sets everything else and helps set this. So I don't know for sure if you need to buy these expensive rollers, but this is what I have and this is what I'm using. So just keep that in mind. I'm not sure if it will work with other rollers. It should, but test it out and let me know. So with these rollers, when you start them, the dot in the center will be black, and that's when you know it's not heated. There's 2 heat settings, and I'm just gonna turn it up to the highest setting. Okay, so while the rollers get hot, I'm going to take this off and put it on the mannequin head. I am gonna put a T-pin just at the top, just past the headband, right here, at the very top, and it's just gonna keep the wig in place while I'm working with it. And then I'm also going to put one just at the end of the headband so it doesn't slide up. Now I'm just gonna brush the hair out, starting on the bottom and working my way all the way up to the top. And then we're gonna divide the hair. So I'm gonna work from the bottom and then go to the top, and we're gonna work in 1/2 inch sections. Okay, real quick, I just wanted to put some hair on my head. My head gets quite cold, so I wear this headband wig a lot. When I'm at home and I'm just, you know, I don't really need any fussy look or anything like that, I will throw this on, keeps my head warm, and I just personally like having hair. So I'm just gonna put it in a pony. She's ready for a wash, wearing her all week. There we go, I feel a lot better. Just wanted to get some hair on my head. So this piece right here, I noticed that the ends are a little bit frizzy. So that happens with synthetics. It happens with all synthetics, even our luxury synthetic hair. And so an easy way to relax the hair is to use steam. And so what you can do if you don't have this device, now this is the Steam Pod by L'Oreal, and I love this for my synthetic wigs. It makes it super easy because basically what we have to do is use water and then we flat iron the hair. So if I had a normal flat iron, I would wet the hair, brush the hair so it's really smooth, and then I would iron over it. And that's gonna make all of those frizzy ends relax once again. It's sort of like a deep conditioner for synthetic hair. This device, the L'Oreal Steam Pod, what it does is it has a comb right there, so I don't need to use a brush. It has the steam, the water built in here, and it has the flat iron. So it makes restoring a synthetic wig super easy. All you do is you go down with the combs facing you, or facing down, and you're just gonna lightly go over the hair. This is a little hot. This is 350 degrees, and we want to stay within 280 and 300, so it's definitely on the hotter side. But if you work pretty fast, like I am, and you only go over the hair once or twice, you'll be fine. You're not going to damage the hair. Okay, so here's the hot rollers. You guys can see that the dot is gold. They're hot enough. Okay, so we're gonna work in 1/2 inch sections. So I used my other clip to push the hair away, and I have the hair pretty high up out of my way, and I'm just gonna brush it, take one of the hot rollers, and we're gonna alternate the curls, and we're just gonna go left and right. And so I'm just holding the ends. Now synthetic hair, the ends can get really straight. All the hair can get really straight, especially because we just took the flat iron to it. And so I'm gonna make sure I get that hair in there and it gets curled. And I'm just gonna take the clip and push it down, and that will hold it there. Take another 1/2 inch section, like that much. Push the hair away, brush it, and then we're gonna alternate the curls. So I went over, and now I'm gonna go under. That's the first section, and we're gonna just keep working in alternating curls. I usually separate this wig into 3 sections. Okay, so we're doing the front piece right here, and I always like the front piece to go away from me. For the section. Let's use this as a teaching example. So the curl, this was the first curl I did. So the hair has cooled a little bit, been about 15 minutes. I'm also making dinner for my family, and this is the curl that took. So you can see how long it takes to curl a heat-friendly synthetic wig. It's not easy, so don't think it is. Be patient with yourself, and that's why this technique is so amazing. You guys will see in the morning, but yeah, here's the curl. It's not bad. It's very natural looking. All right, so she's ready to go. I'm gonna be very gentle with her. These rollers are very heavy, I'm finding. So, and that has to do with the titanium plate. So that's what's helping the curl set. But I am glad that I have the wig pinned in here and here. So make sure your wig is definitely secure. And now we're gonna put her in the oven. So I have the temperature set at 195, which is 90 Celsius. Before I came up with this technique, I consulted with my factory and asked them how they style their synthetic wigs. So they make hundreds and thousands of synthetic wigs a month. And they have wig ovens. And I looked it up, and it's a real thing. They have wig ovens, and they use aluminum piping to curl the hair before they ventilate the wig. All right, so that's kind of how I got this crazy idea of putting my wig in the oven. And then we are gonna set our timer for 1 hour from now. And there she is. Okay, so it's been an hour. The timer just went off. And so I'm gonna turn the oven off at this point, and I'm gonna take her out of the oven. But first what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to prop the door, just because I'm having dinner with my family and I don't have time to deal with this right now. So I'm just gonna prop the door like this. If you don't have a towel, you can also just take like a stick like this, and you're just gonna prop it inside to hold the oven door open. Just gonna let that air come out and slowly let her cool. All right, so now I'm just gonna let the wig cool overnight. She cooled in the oven for about an hour, and the hair is still very warm, and so we're just gonna let her cool right here all night, and we'll see what she looks like in the morning. All right, so it is the next day in the evening, so she's definitely had all day, all night to set. And I'm gonna slowly take the rollers out for you guys to see. So I'm just gonna start at the bottom, working my way to the top. And look at this, the first one. It is just gonna be so pretty. I can't wait to see the end result. Oh my goodness. What a great technique. We're all gonna start putting our wigs in ovens. It's just so nice because it's low maintenance. You don't have to think about it. All you have to do is put the hair in really good rollers. Make sure it's smooth when you put it in the roller, and you'll have beautiful hair and you don't have to do anything. Just think about all the maintenance that you used to have to do to get these beautiful bouncy curls. And the best thing is that this is just gonna last through washes, and it's gonna continue to just look amazing. I'm so impressed. I really hope you guys try this technique. I think you're gonna love it, and it's gonna change your wig world. Look at this. So pretty. Right here there's a line, right here there's a line. So what I can do real quick for that is take the L'Oreal Steam Pod and just straighten these little sections that have like an indent or line, because we don't want those, but it looks so good. Guys, so I went ahead and I took the L'Oreal Steam Pod just to the section where there was an indent to make it look a little bit more natural, but this is the look that you can expect to get if you follow this method. And I really want to know if you guys do this. I think you're gonna love it. It just makes it so easy to style your synthetic wigs. Let me show you the back again. But there you go, just beautiful bouncy curls. And again, I didn't put any product in this wig, no hairspray, no mousse, no gel, nothing. Just put it in the rollers, put it in the oven, and this is the result that you'll get. I let her cool overnight and all day, so it's been about 24 hours since I've touched this wig. But this is what you can expect. The best part is that after you wash this wig, it's gonna go back to this style. So you're not gonna need to do this again if you like this style. So this is how you can get big, bouncy, beautiful curls in your heat-friendly synthetic wigs. I hope I have inspired you. I hope you give this a try. Honestly, it is so low maintenance. It's so easy to do, and I love that about it. Or advantage of wearing wigs is that they're super low maintenance, and we shouldn't be putting a lot of time into making our wigs look great. And that's what I love about this method, this technique.